Hey, excuse me, nothing. I just had crush on you like for the past 5 seconds. Yeah. Saw you coming over there.
Okay.
And you look absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
So I thought of telling you hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Avinya.
What do you do?
Professional.
Yeah.
I'm actress.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So you are independent girl.
Yeah, it's right.
So I don't have to work then. Right?
Yeah.
ಹಾಯ್.
ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ ಮನೇಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ಗೆ ಹುಡ್ದಂಗ್ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ನೋ, ಐ ಹೇಟ್ ದಟ್. ಅದೇ ಫೇಕ್ನೆಸ್, ಅದೇ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್
ಕವಿತೆ